people, welcome to TVS, and today we are at the launch of the Royal Enfield Thunderbird X, which comes with a 350cc and 500cc engine, and the brand calls it Thunderbird 350X and Thunderbird 500X.
Royal Enfield is calling this Thunderbird X range of motorcycles their factory-built custom bikes. With the Thunderbird X, Royal Enfield is targeting the more urban and young buyer set and will be available in both 350cc and 500cc options. For differentiation, the Thunderbird X will be available in orange and blue colors for the 500X and red or white colors for the 350X. What we have with us today is the Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350X. Pricing for the Thunderbird 350X is Rs 1.56 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi, while the Thunderbird 500X asks for 1.98 lakh ex-showroom. With this marginal premium over the standard model, the Thunderbird X makes a lot more sense with the different styling highlights. Royal Enfield first launched the Thunderbird nameplate in India in 2002, and it has been a very popular highway cruiser ever since. The Thunderbird X now wants to carry a custom cool image with the same type of buyer audience with this new look. In terms of styling changes, what you now get is bright colors, alloy wheels, tubeless tires, gunslinger style seat, a new grab rail, shortened rear mudguard, blacked out theme, a new flat handlebar, front and rear disc brakes. As you can notice, the body color is primarily on the fuel tank only, and you can also see the same color on the rim stripes.
So nothing much has changed on the bike in terms of the mechanicals, but what you get now is a new contour seat and a flatter handlebar. So you sit a little more lean forward and the ride is more engaging than before.
Powering the Thunderbird 350X is a 346cc single-cylinder air-cooled twin-spark motor producing 19.8 bhp of power at 5,250 rpm and 28 Nm of torque at 4,000 rpm. The Thunderbird 500X is powered by a 499cc single-cylinder air-cooled motor with fuel injection producing 27.2 bhp of power at 5,250 rpm and 41.3 Nm of torque at 4,000 rpm. Although this new Thunderbird X for Generation X is now on offer, Royal Enfield will continue to sell the old Thunderbird range of models. Do let us know in the comments below what you think about this new styling changes on the Thunderbird in the X avatar.